Are you ready to see what the future of smartphones looks like? With the Google Pixel 10, power and intelligence meet stunning design in a way that puts other flagships on notice. Imagine capturing jaw-dropping photos, experiencing fluid performance, and unlocking new AI skills, all in one sleek device. Could this be the phone that changes what we expect from our tech? Stay tuned. Design and build quality. The Google Pixel 10 sets a new benchmark for premium smartphone design, combining refined aesthetics with robust engineering. Measuring 152.8 by 72 by 8.6 millimeters and weighing just 204 grams, it feels compact and comfortable in the hand. The device features a glass front and back, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, along with a sturdy aluminum frame that adds both elegance and durability. With its IP68 rating, the Pixel 10 is dust-tight and water-resistant, capable of surviving immersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. Whether held in daily use or exposed to unpredictable weather, this phone is built to last while looking sleek and modern. Display. At the heart of the Pixel 10 experience is its stunning 6.3-inch OLED display. The screen supports a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and features HDR10+ 4 vibrant colors and deep contrast. With a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits, there's no issue using the phone outdoors, even in direct sunlight. The display's resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels, delivering approximately 422 pixels per inch, ensures every image is crisp and every video looks spectacular. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with Mohs Level 4 hardness, the display resists scratches and remains pristine through daily use. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 is powered by Google's custom Tensor G5 chipset, fabricated on a 3-nanometer process. This octa-core processor, paired with a Titan M2 security coprocessor, brings snappy performance and enhanced security. The Pixel 10 offers either 128 or 256 GB of storage, both with a generous 12 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth gaming. Running Android 16, Google promises unparalleled longevity with up to 7 major Android upgrades, keeping your device secure and up to date for years to come. The PowerVR DXT48-1536 GPU guarantees fluid graphics performance for demanding apps and games alike. Camera system. Google continues to excel in mobile photography, and the Pixel 10's triple rear camera setup is no exception. It features a 48-megapixel wide main sensor, a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens with impressive 5x optical zoom, and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera that covers a 120-degree field of view. Key features like single-zone laser autofocus, Ultra HDR, and pixel shift ensure sharp, detailed photos in any lighting. The front camera is a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, making group selfies and vlogging easier than ever. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording with optical image stabilization and Euro EIS, delivering stable, cinematic footage and advanced features like 10-bit HDR and high frame rate options for creative videographers. Audio experience. The Pixel 10 delivers immersive stereo sound through its high-fidelity loudspeakers, making music, movies, and games come alive. Though the classic 3.5mm headphone jack is absent, the device compensates with support for high-resolution wireless audio via Bluetooth 6.0 and aptX HD, ensuring crisp and clear playback when paired with compatible wireless earbuds or headphones. Whether enjoying movies on the go or tuning into playlists at home, the audio performance is top-tier. Connectivity and features. Packed with advanced connectivity options, the Pixel 10 supports Wi-Fi 6E, dual SIM capability through NanoSIM and eSIM, and extensive global positioning services including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QZSS, and NavIC. NFC makes mobile payments effortless, while USB Type-C 3.2 provides fast data transfer and charging. Security is enhanced by an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Unique features like the satellite SOS service and Circle to Search add real-world usability, alongside a full suite of sensors including accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer. Battery and charging. Battery life is well managed by a 4,970 mAh Li-ion cell that easily lasts through busy days. Wired charging delivers up to 30 watts with PD 3.0 and PPS support, achieving 55% charge in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging is fast and convenient thanks to Pixel Snap and Qi 2 certification, supporting up to 15 watts for quick top-ups. Pixel 10 also supports reverse wireless charging and bypass charging, catering to power users and gamers who demand flexibility and endurance without overheating their phones. AI and software innovations. Leveraging Google's expertise in artificial intelligence, the Pixel 10 integrates advanced AI features for photography, device management, and daily tasks. The phone responds intelligently to user habits, optimizing battery use, camera settings, and overall performance. Exclusive enhancements like circle to search and real-time photo editing add to the device's appeal, transforming everyday interactions with smarter, more useful technology. Final thoughts. The Google Pixel 10 stands out as a flagship device that not only competes but often surpasses its rivals in design, display, camera capabilities, and longevity. With premium build quality, a world-class display, powerful internal hardware, and future-proof software support, it's equally suited for professionals, creatives, and everyday users. Performance is top-notch, the camera system is highly versatile, and features like fast charging, wireless power, and AI-driven innovations make the Pixel 10 a standout choice in the premium smartphone market. Whether capturing memories, gaming, or harnessing new AI skills, the Pixel 10 is built to impress, delivering a truly exceptional smartphone experience.